Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Blockbust app keeps closing. If Blockbust app randomly closes during gameplay, it's likely due to memory or performance issue. First of all, restart your phone and close all the background apps that are in the available in the background and are consuming your data. Then check your device storage. On settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check if you have sufficient space. Low space can force apps to close unexpectedly. Head over to your app store, search for Blockbust, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. And also update your OS to the latest version. Outdated systems may cause instability. If the app continues to close, consider reinstalling while keeping your account linked. This usually resolves crashes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.